Alam mo ba, one of the fastest ways to lose your peace and happiness is by comparing yourself to others. Lagi kasi tayong exposed sa social media, nakikita natin yung success ng iba, achievements, lifestyle, and sometimes nakaka-pressure. Parang iniisip mo, bakit siya nandun na, tapos ako still figuring things out. But here's the truth. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang timeline. Yung iba, maaga nilang nahanap yung path nila. Yung iba, later pa. And that's perfectly okay. Hindi ibig sabihin na late ka is failure ka na. Your journey is unique and may mga lesson ka na hindi nila nadaanan. The moment you stop comparing and start focusing sa sarili mong growth, doon ka talaga magiging free. Instead of envy, choose inspiration. Instead of pressure, choose patience with yourself. Kasi the right season for you will always come. At kung para sa'yo, is para sa'yo talaga. So, next time na mahulog ka sa comparison trap, pause, breathe, and remind yourself, I am exactly where I am meant to be right now. Focus sa growth mo, celebrate your small wins, and keep moving forward. Kasi at the end of the day, life is not about who's ahead. It's about becoming the best versions of yourself.